Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the one by Wacom. So I'll just right there, and goodbye Amazon. Okay, here it is guys, the one by Wacom, and I've got black red right here, we can see it. So let's move on into the box. Some really pretty packaging. Alright guys, so you can see there's just a little lid on top over here, and we just slide it out after cutting this little thing over here. This is kind of tedious. Let's try and cut it. Alright. Okay. Alright guys, here it is. Another box. Great. What's inside that? Another box? Couple more please. Alright, here. And yep, okay, it just opens up like this, and here is the tablet. Gonna pull it out slowly. We'll look at the tablet in just a minute. Inside we get a USB connection cable for a laptop and a few extra pen tips and a metal ring. I do not know what that is for. I think that's like for when babies get married or something. Over here we have some pretty cool black packaging. Just Wacom start.com/1. All this, and that's about it. The most important part of this graphics drawing tablet is of course the beautiful pen. Here it is. I'm going to put that aside, and this is probably going to be the most satisfying part of this video, the tablet. There's a nice little pull tab. Alright, yes, this is the most satisfying part of the video. Alright, and this comes out. Great. So this is the tablet. It has little Wacom branding over here. Wacom, my bad. Behind, it's red, very alright. So the pen and the tablet. I'm gonna turn it over so you can see. Charger. This, sorry, not the charger, but the connection cable, some few extra nibs, and a ring for baby. Hey guys, the second part of the video, and just type in drivers Wacom. Just type in the product, click the first link and type in the product. Mine is one by Wacom. I'll show you here, CLT. Alright, this is, just click on download Windows driver, confirm download, and click on save. Alright guys, second part, the Wacom tablet driver installed. Just click on accept, and right now it's installing. Please be patient, this may take up to a few minutes. Installing libraries. Alright, I'll just tell you about the pen quality right now. There's, as you can see, there's two buttons up top over here. Let it focus. Alright, there we go. Two buttons right here. This is a nib, it's very fine. There's about 4,000 pressure sensitivities on this tablet. You just have to connect this USB to the PC, and the micro USB we have to attach to this port over here. This port right here. Let it focus. Alright. And after that, that's about it. There's no charging needed, none of that stuff. Hey guys, just one quick thing. I also got a pouch for my one by Wacom. It costs like 500 bucks if I'm not wrong. And it's red to match, you know, the tab at the back. And it has one pouch, one pocket in the front. And this opens up. This is quite big, as you can see. Pouch. On the back, it has two spaces for your lanyards. and the lanyard came in a little pouch. Haven't opened it yet. Here we go. Whoa, I know, right? Alright, so you can just attach your lanyard clips to this over here, and if I fit it in, it's actually quite big. Alright, so I can actually put two of my devices inside. This little tab can go in front, right? Red matching red, and it has just a bit difficult, so it's better if I keep it inside. But what I wanted to say was I can also fit my tab inside it, my Android tab. This goes in right here. At the same time, I can fit my Android tab. It's 10 inches if I'm not wrong. If I do a size comparison, 1 second, here, right, and I can fit this into the pouch as well quite easily. So here we go. This is a review of the pouch, all in one. I've shown you all the drivers, the unboxing. I'll also be doing a follow-up video of a 1 week and 1 month in-depth review of the pen. How was it? How was the pressure sensitivity? All of that. Thank you for watching, guys.